Hello friends, welcome to EduFree YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss India's cash crops, areas where the cash crops are producing. Cash crops are basically producing to sell to the market. In this map you can see the areas of jute and cotton. These areas are the jute producing areas, high rainfall areas and fertile areas. These are the cotton producing areas. You can see here these areas are the cotton producing areas. These areas. Now we move to the next cash crop producing areas. You can see here the coconut and arecanut producing areas. In these areas, coastal areas, you can see on the map. In these coastal, along the coastal west and along the west and east coastal areas, and in the island groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar, mainly coconut are producing, and arecanut are producing in these areas. You can see these areas, arecanut areas, cultivation areas. These areas you can see here. These areas are the area of arecanut cultivation. Now we move to the next sugarcane. Now in this map we see the sugarcane producing areas. You can see here these areas are the sugarcane areas. The vast areas are the UPs. One thing I forgot to tell you, this is the producing states. Which are the producing states? So in the jute and cotton map, cotton producing areas, the states which mainly produce the jute and cotton are jute producing areas are the West Bengal, Bihar, Assam and Odisha. You can see here West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Assam. And the cotton producing areas are these areas: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Here the coconut producing states are you can see the coastal areas: Kerala, these areas, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Apart from this, you can see here the Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Island. And arecanut producing areas are the Karnataka. You see here Karnataka, Kerala also producing arecanut. Next area, the Assam and Meghalaya producing a large amount of arecanut. Next, the sugarcane areas are already you have seen, and the states are the Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, then Karnataka, you can see here, then Tamil Nadu. These areas mainly producing the sugarcane. Next we move to another cash crop, tea and coffee. tea and coffee producing areas. These are the tea producing areas. You can see here the tea producing areas are the, you can see here also, tea producing areas are Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And the coffee producing areas are these areas: Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Basically in South India, coffee are practicing. Next we move to the another case group. These are the oilseeds and spices. In this map you can see the spice and oilseeds producing areas. These areas, the vast areas producing oilseeds and spices. Next you can see here next case group, the tobacco. Tobacco producing areas are Gujarat. You can see here Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. These areas, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. These areas and less amount of tobacco also produce in these areas: West Bengal, Bihar. Now we move to another case group, banana producing area. You can see here the banana producing areas. The main producers are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, and other areas also producing banana. You can see on the map. Now we move to the next case group, that is potato. These are the areas where potatoes are grown. Mainly potato producing areas are, you can see here, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, and other areas also. You can see entire India potatoes are producing, but we see here the main producing areas. So this is our discussion, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like the channel and share the channel so that the more and more people can watch this video. So friends, have a good day.